Now, my team has been in to your restaurant. I want to show you something that isn't very pleasant. Please, take a look.
What are we gonna see?
I didn't want this. I tried to change it and it never fucking
listen to
happened.
me. I know what to do, okay? These are the most self-centered people that I've ever dealt with. It's ridiculous. Guys, come on, do something. This fucking bitch.
Oh my God, Vasily. Vasily?
Oh, God.
So disgusting.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh, no!
Come on.
Oh my God.
What the hell is that?
Joelle, you work at the other restaurant as well, don't you?
Tuul is our owner, and everything just flows perfectly. She cares. She puts a lot of her heart into it.
Does Vasi care?
I think Vasi used to care.
Tula, why has he let himself go?
I don't know.
I have 3 daughters and a son, and we check them every week. You know, we open up with them.
I do. He always tell me, I know, Mom, what I'm doing. I know, Mom, what I'm doing.
But you're enabling him. It's almost like you're his oxygen. You're supporting the downward spiral.
He's my son. What am I gonna do?
How much money does Vasi owe you?
I don't write it down. I really don't know.
I got told it's $250,000. Does Vasi owe you $250,000?
Somewhere around there.
Just about.
Because you've had that handout, it makes things a little bit easier.
I'm not getting a handout.
$250,000. What is it?
It's what it's owed.
A
It's
Christmas
owed.
present?
It's not increasing.
Aren't you ashamed?
No, I'm not.
You're not ashamed?
No. Ashamed of what?
You're $500,000 in debt.
Okay.
You're losing minimum 10 grand a month on average.
We're beating a dead horse. You're saying the same fucking shit over.
That's right.
All right?
Because it's not getting through to your fucking thick head.
It is getting through my head.
Is it?
You're saying the same shit over. We owe so much money.
Band-aid, 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 Band-aid.
But you gotta
Mummy,
put a-
mummy, mummy.
Yeah, no, it's not mommy,
Fuck
mommy,
off.
mommy. She doesn't give me money every fucking day.
Oh, what,
no,
like
she
$250,000
doesn't.
fucking dollars?
Has it been paid back yet? No. Do you want to fucking fix it or what? Or are you going to keep on talking about it?
I don't want to fix your fucking mess. No, I don't. The business spiraled out of control, and you want me to come in here, wave a magic wand, kiss your ass,
I'm not
which I'm
saying
never
that.
going to fucking do.
I don't want you to kiss anybody's ass.
That's what you want. You can sit there and say that you don't feel bad.
It's not like I'm sucking her dry.
One man's delusion taking everybody down and totally oblivious to the issue. This is ridiculous.
Us, just take responsibility.
Huh?
Just listen to the guy.
I'm listening.
No, you're not. You're not listening.
I'm listening.
Just like you don't listen to us.
Hey, Chef Ramsay, how are you? Since you left, people are loving the concept. They're loving the new menu.
I'm so excited.
Val's back here. Relationship's great. Sometimes. I've always loved Val.
We hit a few bumps in the road. We're working on that, and we're thinking positive again.
Beautiful, Val.
My husband, Vasi, has also lost a total of 30 pounds, and we're excited for the future.
Everything's going great. Thank you very much. We love everything you've done.